Hey guys, I welcome you back to my channel. This is Lolo Kitchen. So today I'll be teaching you guys, showing you rather, how you can add these beads to your dresses. Most of you might have seen these trending beaded kaftan dresses, yeah, but I'll be adding mine to this boba. I'm not a tailor, okay, but I'm a beader. So when I saw this style, I knew this is something I can do. So I said, okay, let me do it with you guys and teach some of you how you can do it on your dresses. So what you'll be needing crystal beads. This is 8 millimeter, what they call it, 8. You'll be needing thread, your scissors, and your needle. I've already threaded mine to start the job, so I hope you can learn 1 or 2 things here. Like I said, I'm not a tailor, but I'm a beader, so let's do this. We can do it. So to start adding the beads, your thread, you have to knot it, and you pass it from the inside. The reason is you don't want the knot to be in the front. You have to pass it from the inside before you start beading. This beading takes a lot of time, but at the end, it's really worth it. So you pass your needle and your thread from the inside, just like this. And you start to bead. Then you can do this, so just like this. Okay. You have to calculate very, very well. just trying to secure it. That's what I'm doing. But this place I'm going to refill it because the space in between is too much. So I'll be refilling these both parts later when I'm done beading. Just keep doing like this till you're done. It's not easy to make. It takes a lot of time, a lot of calculations. Very stressful. So I'll just continue this process. When I'm done, I'll show you guys how we're finally. So we are done.